If you've ever wanted an easy way to manage your Jotform submissions, learning how to view, assign, and edit forms directly from Jotform Tables will make your workflow much faster. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Jotform website. Log into your account or quickly sign up if you're new. Once you're in, go to the My Forms section. This is where all your forms are stored. Find the form you want to manage and click on it to open the Submissions table. This table shows every response your form has received. Now, look for the small three-dot icon next to the form's name. Click it to open the menu, then select Form. You will see three main options: View Form, Assign Form. If you choose View Form, the form will open in a new tab. This is perfect for checking how it looks to your users and making sure everything works smoothly. If you need to collaborate, select Assign Form. This lets you share the form with your team members so they can view or manage submissions too. Ideal for group projects or business teams. Finally, if you need to make adjustments, choose Edit Form. This opens the form builder where you can add new fields, change layouts, or update settings instantly. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can view, assign, and edit any form directly from Jotform, keeping your forms organized and your workflow effortless. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick Jotform tutorials.